Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're going to be doing another makeup unboxing. So this is the May's Lashy Box. Lashy Box is a monthly, more like a lash subscription. It's $12.99 plus shipping and handling, around $3 for that. So in total, you'll pay like around a little over $16. It doesn't quite equal $17, but it's getting close. So let's say $17. And you get 4 premium pairs of lashes. The website does say 3 to 5 pairs, but I wouldn't go by that. I'm going to go by my own. And because I've been with these for over a year, I normally usually get 4 pairs of lashes. It's never been anything but 4 ever since the day I started. And normally you get around 2 makeup items. So really not a bad deal. And most of the time they'll throw their little thing of glue in. So, and this month, as you guys notice, the box is hot pink. I do like that little, normally it's like white or a light pink, but I do like how they changed it up. And I always think their boxes are so cute. They're small, but cute. Like, don't want to show, okay, that's their address. Okay. First pair of lashes is by Lashy Box. These are their 3D silk lashes. These are the Cosmos. Let me get it out of the container so you can see it better. So I think their lashes are gorgeous. Absolutely love them. I wear Lashy Box lashes like 9 out of 10 times when I'm wearing lashes. But I absolutely love these. These are really, really fluffy. It's like they got like 2 or 3 layers on there. So, absolutely love them. And with them, I really, like a lot of times, I don't even have to cut. They're perfect for my eye size. So, I like that. But I do have like longer eyes. So, I do like that. Then, we have their 3D Silk Lashes and Stardust. I hate how that light, like, glares it. And I like these. These ain't as full, or about the same thing. A little longer, but just not as full. But I do like them. Okay. So, next item is wrapped really, really good. Is by Rude Cosmetic. It is the Party Animal Dense Eyeshadow Palette. So, this is a 10 eyeshadow shades. On the outside, it looks like, if that's red, I know I'm going to like it. So, I know a lot of people hasn't tried Rude Cosmetics, but I like them. But I got on their website, and one of my favorite palettes is it's the Netflix, or not really Netflix, it's called something Flex. This is really cute. It's got a mirror. It's not like really red, it's more like a brown, but these are cute. We will swatch these real fast. They are very creamy. Normally their shadows do good, but like I was saying, I did get on their website. I do think they're a little pricey to be an indie brand. Like the price is up a little farther than what I would think an indie brand should be. Okay, this is Furball. It's like just a white, almost I'm really pale. Then, this is Pussy. I don't like saying that word. Feline. And then this one is Lickifer. What a name. Lickifer. This one is Pauline. Like, that's a good color. Okay. Last row. So, you got 5 in a row. This one is Meow. I'm going to double dip it because it's like a shimmer that looks like it needs it. So, I do like that. That could be a good highlighter, inner corner, brow. I do like it. Claudia. Then this one is Jennifer Purr. Okay. Empress. Alright, last one, Scratcher. Alright, that black is like, it's done really, really good. I do like it. This one, I think it's this one. It looks like, maybe I didn't swatch it good. So, I do like that. Okay. So, I was saying, you know, with Rude Cosmetics, I think they have really great makeup. I love their lashes. I love their eyeshadow palettes. Everything I've ever tried, I do like. But their prices, I don't know, for an indie brand, like you got Beauty Curations and, I don't know, there's plenty of them. And, you know, the prices normally is not like a higher end luxury brand, is like higher up. Maybe like an eyeshadow palette like this on there is probably like, I would think like $10 would kill it. But they're more like, I don't know, the little one I looked at that I liked was like 20, I don't know, it was way up there. And I was like, I don't think so. Okay, so we got 2 more pairs of lashes. These are Zola Lashes. I do like Zola Lashes. This is their premium 3D mink lashes. They are reusable up to 30 times with proper care. And these are the lady. If we're going to focus here. I do like the Zola Lashes. I've got some things by Zola I do like. So I do like these. These are like right up my style. And the last ones is by Rude Cosmetics. This is their Flux Mink 3D Lashes in what is Cils. C-I-L-S. I guess that's makeup with an attitude. Vexing. These are the Vexing. I don't know. Right there's got Vexing, got a number. Okay. So, I like these. These are really cute. These are for, like, a light day. I don't want to wear too much makeup, but I want my lashes looking good. So, I like these. I like a big lash. I've got little itty-bitty lashes. I'm not really crazy about them. I had, like, a really important appointment I had to go to, and I was getting my lashes on, and my husband was like, no, you cannot wear them big lashes. He's like, he's like, you need to tone it down, wear some smaller ones, or use mascara or something. I don't know. I just feel more comfortable with big lashes. Okay, then we got the Zola. I think it's Zola. Yeah, Zola Lashes. Magic Lash Liner. Instant Lash Glue. Now, I have something like this. I forget who it's by. Could be by Zola for all I know. This one is clear, so I guess it ain't going to show up like... No, I've got like... This, I'm thinking I've got a eyeliner, and I do think it's by Zola, that is like glue, but you can do your liner and then stick your lash on. I don't know, I like to shake everything up. It's just who I am. Because it seems like if you shake everything up, it works a whole lot better. Okay, so here is the tip. Oh. Okay. You'll see it right here. It comes off like a little white at first. I guess it's supposed to like dry down to clear. I'm really curious if that works. I don't know. Because some of my videos didn't get posted. So I don't know if I posted this one video unboxing or not. let me see. It was a couple months ago. I got some lashes from Lashy Box. They were the magnetic, and they got the magnetic liner. I don't know if I posted the video or not. It's getting sticky. And I got the magnetic lashes, and then the liner. I'm going to tell you guys something. The lashes were wonky. I forget what brand they was. I want to say, I kind of want to say they was Ruby Mays, but I can't really remember. But the lashes was a little wonky to start with. They wasn't like the same size. And then once you got them on, I thought maybe, it was a little bit off when I was first looking at them. So I put my, magnetic liner on, and I popped my lashes on. I was going somewhere. I was in a rush, and oh my God, it was horrible. The lashes, it looked like I had one big lash on, one little itty bitty lash, and then the lashes, by the time I got to the vehicle, and I am glad I threw mascara in my purse. I threw 2 or 3 tubes of mascara in my purse that morning, because I just had this feeling. And sure enough, the lashes would not stay on. It was horrible. So I do like magnetic lashes, but when you're doing it, make sure that you're getting something that's really going to hold. Do your, I know this ain't magnetic, but I just wanted to share that, because I think, because we don't want to go somewhere and have one. Okay, I don't know what happened. My camera kicked off freaky. I'm glad I noticed it when it done it, because it flashed. But I just wanted to share that, because, with stuff that, when we buy stuff like this, we want to be careful. We want to do review and stuff like that, because we don't want to waste our money and get somewhere and our lashes fall off anyway, and one's on, one's off, or they're both falling off, and I don't know. I don't like to have to do my mascara going down the road, but it is what it is. But the last thing in here is for a free 30-day membership for Join the Tribe today. 330 Tribe can work out with us. And that is really it in the box. I do like the 4 pairs of lashes I got. I know I will wear them. I'm going to try the glue. It's a little, I don't know. It's not sticking as good as I would want it to right now, but I've done a little line, so I'll test it and see if it works or not. And if you guys are interested, let me know and I'll update you somehow in another video or something. But I guess that is it. Hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye for now.